Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Friday, January 29th, 2021, and today we're really going to dive into those details. So let's jump in on what's going on out there, what we can expect over the next few days. Before even getting into our new storm, here is our off the coast low that the ref likes to give 6 to 8 inches for the outer Cape this afternoon. Possible blizzard conditions as the heaviest rotates through. It's probably like a 50-50 shot at that, but we'll see what happens. Temperatures. Let's talk about those. Very cold couple of days. We've been talking about this for about 5 days now. Temps don't move so much today. Teens with wind chills in the single digits, above and below zero. The coldest morning may be Sunday as the wind settles back, but best chance for sea smoke too. Sea smoke? Well, that's just crazy. Speaking of that cold air, blocking should be good. In a good place. Ridge out west should hold fine. All these types of storms usually come down to the region highlighted below. And it's based on where the confluence sets up and determines how far north or south the storm goes. This will jump around. Here's an idea, the big cities, of what we might expect. That might even get down into New York City, that 50 to 70% chance of 2 to 3 inches at the very least. One thing I wanted to, when I came back up to here and I was talking about wobbling, I actually had a whole document here on wobbling. And it's been the trend with our models all winter, and I expect it to happen again. And in fact, I want to show it. So yesterday you saw a much higher north track for the storm. Previous it was south. Previous to that was north. Again, I've showed this storm in some way, shape, or facet 10 days. So we expect that wobble to continue. Canadian making its appearance. Remember, it nailed that December storm better than any other. And it's still looking pretty decent now. Well, this one is one I thought would be good to go over. So it kind of is like a little map of what we can expect to happen. We have our upper level low here that will form as a secondary low when this low here merges, and then we'll have our surface low form right off that Delmarva coast. Where the track goes is the key to who gets what. We want that 60-40 bench line. This might be a little east of the 60-40. I can't really tell without having the longitude latitude there. But essentially you're going to see a transfer of energy from that upper level low to the surface low that develops off the Delmarva. You'll get a pivoting comma head as it moves out. So you have the coldest air. The heaviest snows will be where the warm air advection and the comma head overlap, and that's where we have to see. Will it be here, or will it be more here? And there's even a chance that it's more here, or not at all. So while everyone wants to post snow maps, there are a lot of intricacies that go on that will dictate what the snow map might look like. Here's the Euro, a little bit offshore. We'd like to bring that a little bit back closer. Again, this is not a blockbuster storm yet on the models. I would say it's maybe a moderate to major winter storm, possibility for a major winter storm. For a blockbuster, we needed to see this upper level low really deepen even more, tighten it up even more near the coast, causing all sorts of crazy dynamics for prolonged heavy snow banding. It's worth watching, but we don't know yet. Yep, the European did that southern wobble too. This is the operational, so it looks a little different from what I showed before, which was the ensemble means, which is all of them kind of pushed together. This is the main operational model, the European. So we're going to watch that bounce back and forth. And the energy for the storm actually comes on shore in California this morning, so modeling should improve throughout the day. Last thing I want to leave is that Euro is consistent with advertising a storm that might come in two parts. An overrunning snow, which you'd find here, gives that front end burst, and then Sunday night it gives that front end burst Sunday night, then takes the coastal low, takes over on Monday to Tuesday, and that's where you probably get this area of snow. And where that banding sets up, that will be the jackpot. Anyway, that'll be it for me today. Have a great weekend. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasinowski.